Tissue. Hot soap. I like you. Come.
Checking out.
Okay. Everybody go in the circle.
What? He doesn't even. I don't want to.
You go.
Sige, magwala ka. Popost kita. Ipopost kita sa Facebook. Sige, sigaw. Ayaw mo pa. Popost kita. Sir, popost kita. Sige, sige, wala ka. Sisikat ka. Tulpo ka tomorrow.
He's a good
Boy. Boy, boy. Eee.
How that even go?
Grab your pillow that you're going to wear because we're going to sit away from the. Grab your pillow. Taisha, you grab your pillow.
How about, oh, I want my bag.
Yeah, we're going to get your bag.
Bag next to me. My bag
Hello, how are you? Good. All right. I got to take all your passports. So. Can I have your family scoot over to my side over here? That way, there's at least an aisleway for everybody. Wow, you pronounce all our names right. Incredible.
Sounded very Greek or Latin.
Yeah, Greek.
Where is it?
See that one.
This one over there? And I got... Thank you. And thank you. Such a big family. The baby. That's the little there.
Either way, fine.
Thank you, sir. You are all set to go. You can put away your passports.
I'm assuming you can't do it, right?
Yes, sir.
They're so cute. Can you
I
just sit?
can't wait to go in the plane.
Can you walk? What? Galit ka na agad. Oh, my blankie! Wow! Nice! Nice! I like that! Nagtampo siya. Smile. Yay! It's okay. She don't see you. Like, you want some of this? There's a lot. So, Korean bibimbap. You have the Korean bibimbap. Lila have the beef stew. You should try this too. You should try this. Do you like it? No? You wanna try again? Yummy? Do you like it? Do you like it? Good job. And you have dessert after, ha? Okay, eat your food. You want more rice? More rice? job. Okay. Okay, eat na. You want more soup? Good job. Cute. What do you order? We have some snacks. Snack shop. What do you want me? You want me to open? 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 Nakakuha siya ng snacks. Humingi siya ng snacks sa kanila. Here. Just eat that. Akala niya meron pa. Okay. Yummy. Cake yan? Cake yan? Cake? Yum? Is it yummy? Yummy. Tasty? Nagpapalag-palag na paa niya. Wow! So, this is the second meal. This is 13-hour flight, by the way. So, this is Korean Air. And we're going to South Korea for layover. So, this is the bathroom. They have their toothbrush here, so I'm gonna brush my teeth. This is a little toothpaste. Wait, you like it? Is it yummy? Wow! Ice cream. Yogurt niya, ice cream niya. Yan. Sarap? Yummy? Talaga naman. Talaga naman. Talaga naman. Oh no! We're gonna wipe? Wipe. There you go. Ice cream. Yummy. Oh, you wanna watch? Wow! Wow! Oh, meron pa! Madami pa, oh! Tig po siya, kasi tulog siya kanina. He's sleeping, sleeping the dinner. Now he's eating it. Cute face, cute face. Cute. Ang cute. Take a picture? Yeah, I know you like pictures, but
You're going the right way. Yeah. You're leading the way, bud. Good job. Come on, let's go. Follow the line.
suot mo na yan. Dali. Dalian mo. You need help. Do you need help? Say, mommy, help. Oh, ito na. Kasi inuna mo pa yung kalokohan mo. Bago ko mag... Open natin. Habang iba-vlog ng mami. Cool, right? What is this? Wow! Ay, sticker pala yan. Hindi pala yan.
께서 편안하게 여행하시도록 정성을 다하겠습니다. 휴대전화 등 전자기기는 비행기 모드로 바꿔 업무를 하며